Okay, welcome back to the channel. We are at Beasley Knob. We are a guest of Matt and Crystal. Y'all see them there in the background?
His name's Todd.
It's Matt. It's Matt, right?
Yes.
It's Matt. Don't do that to me. You butthole. Well, anyways, we're their guests today. They up here on vacation, and they invited us. There's a subscriber on our YouTube channel, and they invited us to come ride with them today. So we're at Beasley's Knob, so y'all stick around, and hopefully, I think we're going to have fun. I don't know what we'll get into. Maybe have to get the winch lines out. I don't know. It ain't rained here in about 2 weeks, so the trail should be really good, and should be fun, right?
Woo!
Yay!
Go team.
Yeah, there's the troublemaker. The troublemaker's right here.
It's Crystal.
No. Oh, she's got ducking cards that she hands out with them too.
She's so awesome.
Well, now you got to put it on the Jeep, right?
You've officially been ducked.
I love it.
And when I go up to some, I do exactly like this. I'll put it right there, and I stick the card right there.
There you go. Look, you've been ducked.
Ducking awesome.
All right. Now, where's the matches at?
Shut up.
Burn
Shut
the
up.
duck. You got to burn the duck.
I love it. I love it.
When you're serious about installing the highest quality drivetrain products designed for high horsepower and bigger tires, there's only one choice. So get the power, performance, and confidence that comes with Yukon. Rev it, climb it, and rip it, knowing you're rolling the best in the industry. Built to perform, built to last. Yukon Gear and Axle.
Listen, sorry about that. I know that was a little up close, but we were sliding a little bit.
Slide?
Slippery.
Slicker. I'm surprised the
Slickery.
trail was wet right there.
I know,
And
right?
it rained in 2 weeks here.
Oh my God, y'all. I feel like it's been forever. How about you?
It has been forever.
I mean, what is wrong with
When's
us?
the last time we went to Tennessee?
We've missed y'all.
When's the last time we went to Tennessee?
Forever ago.
That's been early summer.
I mean, Jeep maintenance, it really sucks. Not off-roading, super sucks. But we in the heart of it today, y'all. Yeah, come on.
So 10 minutes in, we already got to get the winch line out, right? You hand me that winch line, I'll run it out.
Alright, what are we doing here?
We are winching.
Okay. You gonna winch a little bit more?
Yeah, with the cable tight.
Oh boy. count the bark on that sucker. Baby, you sweating.
That winching back there got me working.
Got you like, oh my. Out here and left it. I mean, perfectly good hunting hat. I mean, well, at least they took the tag. They didn't want nobody to know who it belongs to. I mean, y'all need some toe straps? I mean, people are just gross. Gross. Y'all got... Smile!
Little driver. Now come back, come back.
That was fun.
Oh,
Smile. Y'all on Dirt Hammers Off-Road Media.
What's up, Dirt Cameras Off-Road Media?
Woo-hoo.
Oh.
Smooth as silk, but it still looks sketchy.
Yeah, don't go to the right or the left.
Roger that. Just stay in the middle, babe. And go over. Yeah, come on.
Gotta be general. Probably need to stick it on that other.
This thing right here, I think it's rode hard. We made it back to Beasley Knob parking lot. This is what happens. You break it down to go in, you got to put it back together. Ain't that right, sis?
Yep.
Come on, guys.
It's hot.
You got to have a, what is it?
You always got to have a BFH. I mean, always.
Everybody keeps a BFH
Oh, everybody does.
What?
on the manifold. Because when you go to plug everything in, you always got to remember to plug the hoses in first.
Oh, I see.
Otherwise, you're just going to let all
I
the
see.
air out.
Yep, yep. Now I understand. Yep. Because if you don't, it's just gonna.
Yep. So if we had put it on the manifold, you plug it all in.
Don't even ask what's swarming around me. You already know.
Tell
I
them what
can't-
it is.
No.
Tell us what it is.
Listen, dog pecker gnats. They're everywhere.
If you live in the South, you know exactly what those are. So
Yes.
hope y'all enjoyed the video, and we'd like to give a big shout out to Matt and Crystal for inviting us. I think we had a good time today. Didn't break anything, did we?
No. And look, they're getting married. Give them a shout out.
Hi.
Comment, like it, tell them congrats. Come on.
Thank y'all for inviting us.
No problem. Thank y'all for
Thank
joining.
y'all for coming out.
Yep.